Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 7 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about the blade components. Components provides benefits to section and layouts. There are two approaches to writing components, class-based components and anonymous components. To create a class-based component, you may use the make component artisan command. So let's create a class component. For that, switch to the command prompt and here just type php artisan make colon component space component name. Let's say component name is header. Okay, now press enter. The make a component command will create two files. One file is created inside the app folder. So let's see, go to the project and just click on app folder, then view, and inside the view there is a components folder, and inside the component folder you can see here header.php file. Okay, this is a component class file which has a render method by default. Okay, and another file which is created inside the resources folder. So just go to the resources folder and click on views. You can see here components folder, and inside the component folder this is the header.play.php file. Okay, these two files are created by make component artisan command. Okay, inside the header.blade.php file I'm just going to type a message inside the h1 tag. This is header. Okay, now save the file. To display a component, you may use a blade component tag within one of your blade templates. Blade templates tags start with the string x dash followed by the name of the component class. So to display this component, just go to the view. So I'm just going to welcome.blade.php view, and inside the welcome.blade.php file I'm just going to type here x dash component name which is header. Okay, now save the file and let's check. So switch to the browser and just go to the URL localhost 8000 and just press enter. You can see here this is header. Okay, alright, now pass some data to the components. For that, go to the welcome.blade.php file and inside the x dash header I'm just going to type here name is equal to Surfside. Okay, alright, now go to the header components and inside the header component go to the underscore constructor method, and inside the construct method pass a parameter which is $name. Okay, alright, also create a public class variable. So just type here public $name. Okay, and inside the construct method $this arrow name is equal to $name. Okay, alright, now go to the header.blade.php file and here just print the $name variable. So I am just going to type here h3 tag and just hi, or inside the double curly bracket just type here the variable name which is name. Okay, now save the file let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. You can see here hi Surfside media. Okay, all right. You can also pass the data from the controller. So let's see. First of all, create a controller. So go to the command prompt and here just type php artisan make controller and controller name. Let's say controller name is home controller. All right. Now press enter. Now go to the home controller. So just click on app, http controllers and home controller. Inside the home controller, just create a function. So just type here public function name, let's say index, and curly bracket to start and close, and just return the view. Let's say view return view. View name is welcome. View name welcome. Okay. All right. And inside the index method I am just creating a array variable. So just typing here fruits array. Inside the array just pass here some fruits, let's say mango, orange, apple. Right, and now this uh, fruits array just pass here inside the view. So just type here fruits arrow dollar fruits. Okay, now save the file. All right, now go to the welcome.blade.php file and inside the x header just type here colon fruits is equal to inside the double quote just pass here the fruits variable. Okay, fruits variable. All right, now save the file. All right, just now go to the header.php file and inside the construct method just pass another parameter which is dollar fruits. Okay, and also create a public class variable. All right, and inside the construct method dollar this fruits is equal to dollar fruits. All right, okay, now print this fruits array to the header component view. So go to the header.blade.php file and here just type at the rate for each and here fruits as dollar fruit. Okay, and inside the for each just print just type here p tag. Inside the p tag just type inside the double curly bracket fruit. Okay, now save the file and finally modify the welcome route. So go to the web.php file. So just click on routes and web.php and here just remove this and just pass here the controller name which is home controller at the rate method name and method name is index. So just type here index. Okay, all set. Now save the file. Let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Alright, you can see here the array elements mango, orange, apple. Okay, so that's all about blade components in Laravel 7. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.